Welcome to Bike Reviews. In this video, we're discussing the Hero Splendor Plus 2026, a motorcycle that continues to define trust, mileage, and simplicity. Known as one of the most popular commuter bikes, the 2026 update focuses on refinement while keeping the legendary Splendor identity intact. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 maintains its classic and familiar design. It comes with refreshed graphics, a clean fuel tank design, and subtle chrome touches that enhance its everyday appeal. The overall look remains simple, practical, and suitable for riders of all ages. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a reliable 100 cubic centimeters engine that delivers smooth and consistent performance. It is tuned for daily commuting, offering easy acceleration and minimal vibration. Hero's engine reliability ensures long life and dependable performance even with rough use. Mileage and fuel economy. Mileage is the biggest strength of the Splendor Plus 2026. It offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it ideal for riders who want to reduce daily fuel costs. This bike is designed for people who depend on their motorcycle every single day. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is another key highlight. The upright riding position, soft seat, and well-balanced suspension provide a relaxed riding experience. Whether on city roads or rural routes, the Splendor Plus handles bumps smoothly and remains easy to control. Features and safety. The 2026 model includes essential features such as a clear instrument cluster, improved braking setup, and durable build quality. These features ensure safe and stress-free daily riding without unnecessary complexity. Final thoughts. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 is a perfect choice for riders looking for unmatched mileage, low maintenance, and proven reliability. It continues to be a smart and practical commuter motorcycle. Keep watching Bike Reviews for more latest bike updates and honest reviews.